Hello students, hope all is well from your side. Today we will start new chapter, chapter 7, and our chapter is permutations and combinations. In this chapter, we shall learn some basic counting techniques. Okay, under this, our first one is fundamental principle of counting. See, under this, our first one is fundamental principle of counting. And to understand fundamental principle of counting, there are two methods. First one is fundamental principle of multiplication and other one is fundamental principle of addition. Okay, so see, to understand fundamental principle of multiplication and fundamental principle of addition, first we should understand where we will use the fundamental principle of multiplication and where we use fundamental principle of addition. Now just see an example. हम लोग पहले एक एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं जिससे हमें पता चलेगा कि कहाँ पे हम लोग मल्टीप्लिकेशन यूज करेंगे फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल का एंड वेयर वी विल यूज फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एडिशन. सपोज फॉर दिस जस्ट यू एज्यूम that we have a room in that we have to enter and in that room there are 3 doors. There are how many doors? 3 doors. Okay, and 3 doors to enter, okay, and 4 doors to exit. Okay, here what is our question कि एक कमरा है जिसमें एंटर करने के लिए 3 डोर्स है और एग्जिट करने के लिए 4 डोर्स है. Okay, so we should know that how many ways we can enter or exit the room. Okay, now see, for this, suppose here we observe that here there are how many doors? 3 doors, D1, D2, D3 we have taken, and to exit there are 4 doors. Then how we will enter the room? There are how many ways to enter this room? Okay, so here what we have to do here, we see here for entry there are 3 ways and for exit 4 ways. It means what? We can enter from suppose D1 and we can exit by any way, any door, 3 and 4. Suppose we enter from door 2, again 1, 2, 3, 4. So total way will be how much? 3 into 4. 3 into 4, that is how much? 12 ways. So we can say that there are how many ways? 12 ways. Now see, from this it is clear that both the ways are involved. Or we can say that both the subgroups, okay, subgroup are involved. In that case, it means we can say that when both the subgroup perform the function, then we will use what? Fundamental principle of multiplication. Is this okay? So we can say that suppose here there are m ways, n ways, suppose r ways. So simply we multiply the ways m into n into r. Is that okay? Now let us see this by another example. Just you see the example. Now see, suppose in a class there are 10 boys and 8 girls. See, in a class there are 10 boys and 8 girls. The teacher wants to select a boy and a girl to represent the class in a function. See, here the teacher wants to select a boy and a girl to represent the class in a function. Here the teacher wants both, a boy and a girl. Then only it will form a group. In how many ways can teacher make the solution? So look here. Here our condition is that teacher want to select a boy and a girl. It means when both the subgroups are involved. Here involvement of both boys and girl. Okay, so we can see here that there are 10 boys and 8 girls. So simply m into n, that is how many ways? 80 ways. Because here we see that both the subgroups are performing. And so we can say that when both the subgroups perform, then we can use what? Principle of multiplication. Now see the second example. Here in a class there are 10 boys and 8 girls. Okay, teacher wants to select either a boy or a girl. इसका मतलब क्या है कि इसमें ज़रूरी नहीं है कि बॉय और गर्ल दोनों होना चाहिए. ग्रुप बॉय बॉय का भी बन सकता है, गर्ल गर्ल का भी बन सकता है. टू रिप्रेजेंट क्लास इन ए फंक्शन, इन हाउ मेनी वेज टीचर कैन मेक ए सॉल्यूशन. सो हियर इट इज़ नॉट कंपल्सन दैट ग्रुप शुड बी फ्रॉम बोथ द सब ग्रुप्स. हियर we can use the group either a boy or a girl. So two girl will make a group, two boys will make a group, or a boy or a girl will make a group. So in this case we will use what? Principle of addition. So 10 boys and 8 girls. So how many ways? 18 ways. Is this okay? How many ways? 18 ways. So that it's very necessary that you should understand where we will use fundamental principle of multiplication and fundamental principle of addition. तो आप लोग इतना ध्यान में रखिए कि जब दोनों सब ग्रुप परफॉर्म करता है देन इन दैट केस वी विल यूज मल्टीप्लिकेशन. और इसमें क्या है, एडिशन में, फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एडिशन में दोनों सब ग्रुप अगर परफॉर्म ना भी करे और काम हो जाए देन वी विल यूज व्हाट? Fundamental principle of addition. And other example we will see in the next class. Till then, have a good day.